Welcome back to the channel. So on this episode, it's moving day. You're watching the Vasko Speed and Performance YouTube channel. Good morning. So we are on day 2 of moving. So yesterday we got the majority of the bulk items moved. We got like the fab table, what else did we move yesterday? We got the bandsaw moved, we got the toolboxes moved, we got a lot of the big stuff. So that was nice to get that done. So today we're going to try and tackle taking down 2 lifts, moving those to the new shop. And hopefully we can get that done today, maybe starting to put them up. I don't want to be too ambitious, but that's kind of the game plan. And then tomorrow we should have 4 lifts getting dropped off. So we'll have to be there to unload those. And hopefully while those are, getting dropped off, we can start erecting the other lifts. We'll see how that all goes. And then we got some few bigger items still at the shop. Like we've got the brake we still need to bring over, the welders, the plasma table, things like that. So let's get after it.
Well, as you can tell there, we tried some stuff and we're actually at the top, like all the way up. This thing won't go up any further. So we've got to be able to go up at least a couple inches to get this upper piece up off the rams where the ram sticks out, because there's a bolt that comes through right here. And there's a little bit of the ram that sticks up there. Well, we need to go up just enough to be able to get it up past that. And we're not able to because the skid steer is all the way up. That's as far as it'll go, which is why we put those blocks there. I would have thought we had a little bit more room, but apparently we don't. So Brad's gonna go over and grab the scissor lift from the other shop across the street, bring it over, and we're gonna try and figure something else out. Yeah, don't try this at home. This is sketchy. You definitely want to pay somebody to do this. Pay someone to come and take your lifts out. Don't be like us. Anyways, we'll get back to it in a second.
An eternity later.
second update for day 2. As you saw, we struggled getting this lift down, partially because it's so tall. So we ended up having to go get the scissor lift at the other shop. Luckily, this shop's already got the scissor lift, so it'll go up high enough to put that one on. So we got these upright and in the vicinity where they need to be. So we'll work on getting the upright up there tonight and try to get these things put together and anchored in. But we're gonna head back to the shop and I'm gonna work on taking down the other one. So can't stop now. Okay, so this is day 2? Day 2, I think?
3.
3?
It's Wednesday.
Okay, so yeah, day 3, it's all morphed together of moving everything over. So we went ahead and got both the lifts down and up at the new shop. They are fully operational. We just need to adjust the cables on this one. That one is good to go. As you can see, we've got the shop Mustang here. We've got the toolboxes out. The new lifts got delivered. We just got these delivered today. So we got 4 of them. They're 9,000 pound. So we are going to work on unboxing all these and getting these 4 lifts up along this wall. We just got back with a load from the other shop and we moved the plasma table. So we got the plasma table here and we got the brake, and we're gonna go get the compressor tonight and it's gonna go in the corner. And this will be the fab area. So everything over here will be fabrication. So we'll kind of try to keep all the dust in this vicinity. But yeah. That's an update for today. That's where we're at. So tonight we're going to try and get these lifts up and see what we can do.
Where it's like me opening boxes with gloves on, just displaying everything.
With your gloves.
Yeah, with my gloves.
Fancy shelves.
Okay, so a little update here at the shop. We are working on getting these 4 lifts up on this wall, trying to figure out spacing. So we had Matthew bring his truck in to kind of space everything out. But it's also a very special day because Shelby, my wife, she brought out our new puppy dogs and our 2 other puppy dogs. So I'll show you guys those. Hey, no, don't beat in the trash.
Whatever that was.
Hi, Lulu. So this is Louise. She's our golden doodle. She's 10. This is Thelma. She is 6. She's a golden retriever. And then these are our newest addition to our family. So this one is Greta, and she's a golden retriever English cream. And this is her sister, and this is Millie. She's a golden retriever English cream also. So we're kind of a golden family. Matthew likes dogs too. Okay, so it is the end of night 4 at the shop. We've been working our butts off. I've been so grateful. My dad, that's my dad. My dad's been helping me. He took off work, so he's been out here helping with everything. But today, my friend Adam came by. He helped. My brother-in-law Kyle, he brought a compressor over for me this morning. My buddy Mitch came by. He helped the other night till probably midnight. Kyle was out here helping us put these 2 lifts up the other night. So my friend Zach came by. He helped out. My friend Larry came by. So I've been so grateful for all these people coming by and helping me out. I wouldn't be able to do it without you guys. So appreciate you. But yeah, so we've got all 4 of the lifts up on this side. I was very particular. I wanted asymmetrical lifts. Got those. My dad, he convinced me into doing that. So thanks, Dad. But I was very particular about having enough room between the lifts, because when I worked at a dealership, they would have them smashed in there so close that you could barely walk through them. So I just wanted to have enough room to walk through here. So there's technically about 4 or 5 feet between each one of these lifts, which is good. Talked to the landlord. We're going to go ahead and put a mop sink in and a sink out here so you can wash your hands, and then you don't have to go into the bathroom, so that'll be nice. Matthew, my employee, was out here today kicking butt. He got these together. He helped with the lifts. But yeah, we got all these lifts up. We got to finish anchoring them and plumbing all the lines and stuff to them. So they're not done, but they're up. That was the hardest part. I think the rest will go pretty quick. I got the fab area kind of organized over here. So I got the fab table, the plasma table kind of set up. I got here our aluminum air lines, 3/4 inch. That's the compressor. So we're going to hardline all of that, have it go into the compressor. So much time I was wasting by unplugging and plugging things in. So now it's going to be so nice that everything's plugged in. I don't have to do that. So super excited. But yeah, this is how the shop's coming along. So I would imagine I will be working. Today is the July 3rd, as you might be able to hear the fireworks going off. But I won't be out here tomorrow. I got to watch all of our puppy dogs tomorrow, and they don't like fireworks. But I will be back out here Saturday working and Sunday. And my goal is to be starting to work on Monday. Part of it won't happen just because of some of the electrical stuff they still have to do. They ended up adding some lights, so they were drawing too many amps, so they had to shut 3 of them off so we didn't trip the breaker. But yeah, so that's where we're at. But again, I just wanted to say thank you to all my friends and family. Everybody that's come by, helped out. I couldn't do it without you. It's been a lot of work, and it's going to be so nice when it's all done, but I appreciate everybody. I also appreciate everybody for coming by the channel, checking out. It does a lot for me. But from the bottom of my heart, thank you all. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.